Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing targeted tools and positioning the door so you can access the seal comfortably. Start at top corner and score along the adhesive with a utility knife to break the seal. This reduces tearing and protects paint. Use a flat scraper or putty knife at a low angle to pry away the rubber or foam gently. Once done, pull small sections slowly with pliers. Make sure to keep the removed pieces in one place for easier cleanup and inspection. You continue by removing stubborn residue and any hidden fasteners that held the weather stripping in place. After peeling long sections, inspect the jamb for staples or small screws. Remove them with pliers or the appropriate screwdriver. Next, apply adhesive remover to remaining glue and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so it softens. This makes scraping safer. Use a plastic scraper to lift softened adhesive. Make sure to work in short passes and reapply solvent where needed to avoid damaging the door finish. You finish the job by thoroughly cleaning and inspecting the door frame so the new weather stripping will seal properly. Wipe the jamb with a rag and mild detergent to remove solvent residue. Dry fully. Check for rot, paint damage, or warped thresholds and address those issues before installing new material. Test fit the replacement strip for even compression. Make sure the strip mates with the door sweep. If you see gaps, adjust the fastener alignment or choose a thicker profile. This troubleshooting step fixes drafts efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.